Do you really want to become a professional translator or interpreter? I will show you how to go from beginner to pro step by step. Hi, I am Nwetaje Kamge Clement, and I'm really thrilled to introduce my complete translator and interpreter masterclass course designed to teach you translation, interpretation, and freelancing skills in just one course. What are we going to really discover? What are some lessons we see in the course of this demonstration? Let's just have a preview of what this course is really all about. Okay, here now we are in the preview of our course. You just click on the introduction. You try to understand the importance of translation in the modern world, and then you have where you can join our private community on Discord or on Telegram. Just click on the links and then you'll be able to land there, and there we can share experiences together, try to encourage one another. Very interesting platform to be there, so that from then you'll be able to learn more. And we go right away to the first part after the introduction. We are going to begin with what we call CAT tools, computer assisted technology. We start with the first one, that is Trados. You will see how you can download and install SDL Trados Studio, very popular CAT tool that is very useful in translation. You first of all see how to get it, and then you see now how you can use it now to translate a file practically. Try to split the video into smaller parts so they can easily be learned. You go to the next part to continue still with Trados, how to use it in part 2. After that, now you can move down to part 3 to still continue to learn about Trados. Just pay attention and practice what you are going to learn. And down now you see there is an assignment that follows that part. Then now you just scroll down and then you can download the file. You select your language and then you can translate now to your target language and send it to me. Let me check it. The next now is another CAT tool, that is SmartCAT. How do we use it to translate a file? We are going to see practically how to use it in our work. You move to part 2 to still continue to learn more about SmartCAT, which is going to really be another very important CAT tool in the translation field. You go now to the assignment, you scroll down to download the file, then you select your language and then you translate it. In that, this is how all the lessons will be structured. Yes. Are you really ready to become a freelance translator, interpreter? Please don't waste time. Just enroll by clicking on the link in the description. And also subscribe for more tips and comment below. And what language do you really want to start translating first? I'll be happy to really learn about that. Yes, just click on the link in the description and dive into the course right away, and I will be happy to really meet you there. Thank you very much for paying attention.